Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Cadillac XT5 Luxury Edition. Now this front wheel drive vehicle has 54,250 miles on it. It comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, and 18 by 8 inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this car, you can see that we do have our Bose premium speakers, beautiful leather seating throughout the entire car, a full moonroof, and when it comes to the front, we have our standard Cadillac radio, heated seating on both sides, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day.